Still struggling to get enough steps in Pokémon Go, or missing out on rare spawns? What if I told you? You can change your location and Autowalk in Pokémon Go right from your iPhone. No computer needed? Check out how this Pokémon Go spoofer works and what it can do. We're using the iMoveGo iOS app. The interface is super clean and easy to use. No good Pokémon near you? No problem. Change your location. Just type in any location or tap anywhere on the map and switch to teleport mode. Boom. Now I'm in Tokyo or New York. Wherever I want to go. It takes just one tap and a second to get there. Once you're set, you can start auto-walking. Pick a destination on the map. Switch to navigation mode. iMoveGo will automatically plan a route for you. Don't forget to set the right speed and finally click on Move. And your trainer starts walking just like in real life. This even counts toward egg hatching, Pokestop spins, and more. No more walking around your neighborhood for hours. Want more control? Try Joystick mode. It's like using a game controller to explore the area. Move in any direction, change speeds, and roam freely. It's perfect for checking out new places without walking. There's also a radar feature that shows you nearby Pokémon, Pokestops, and gyms, so you never miss out on rare spawns again. And the best part? You can do it all on your iPhone. No PC or complicated setup needed. Enload link is right below the video. If this helped, hit that subscribe button for more Pokémon Go hacks and tips, and I'll see you in the next video.